Welcome, and this is the Chestnut C2 coffee hand grinder from Timemore. It's available in two different colours, both black and white, and this is what you can expect in the box. First thing is we have some booklets, some certification, warranty card and manual. We have a nice drawstring bag with a inner pouch, which is very handy for, as you can see that there's two parts to it. So the first hand grinder itself screws and unscrews, and it has some adjusting grind size that we'll talk about later. Also has the crank and the lid, and it also has the grinds brush. It says here, produced by Timemore. Very handy. First, the grinder itself, it's made of stainless steel parts. This outer body is aluminum, and the burrs are CNC'd hardened stainless steel. The crank is made from stainless steel again, with the exception of the lid and the little handle knob. They're made from plastic. There's two bearings inside, which offers a really stable and smooth grind. Screws nicely together, super easy and quick to adjust, and incredibly smooth because of those dual bearings inside. Awesome. This is very lightweight. It weighs in about just under 500 grams. Like I said, the aluminum outer body is incredibly grippy as it's textured, and it has a nice feel to it as well. Let's get into it a little bit more. So just pop this to the side. To adjust your grind size, you need to attach the lid and the crank, and you have a dial. So this is all connected in the middle, and you'll see I'm talking about it a little bit later on. So we've got coarser, and then we've got finer, and the way that we adjust this is just simply by making your incremental adjustments like so. If you're going all the way fine or all the way coarse, just be careful because the burrs are sharp, but you can hold onto this and you can move the crank like so, and that will adjust. Cool. Now to find your 0 point, what you want to do is you want to go all the way fine, just like that, and when you do that, the crank shouldn't move at all. To go coarser, that's 1. So to adjust your grind size, any step coarser from the 0 point is a step. So that's our 0 point, so that's 1 click, 2 clicks, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Alright, so we'll go all the way coarse, and this way we will gain access to the insides, the inner workings, and the burrs. So when you go all the way coarse, the first part comes off, a little clicker. Also have this little part, which is the clicker and the burr. So please stress caution when handling the burrs, they are incredibly sharp. Brand new out of the box. We also have a spring, a washer. The washer, it doesn't matter what side, they're both the same. And then this axle comes out, stem. Now, why you do that would be to clean it. This way you can access the inner burrs, as well as some of the where the ball bearing is, and further down you can gain access to all of that. As you can see, you can actually see a little bit more clear the dual bearings we were talking about before. Just to quickly recap, we'll reconstruct this. So first thing first is stem in, a little bit squeaky, and we've got the burrs just popping out, which is okay. Then we want the washer, put the spring, the burrs itself, this connects just like so. And now the best way to do it is with one hand. You want to hold on to the crank. You then want to align the square part with the axle, hold down with the finger, and then proceed to screw on the little clicker. Now at this point you can, like I said, go like so, until you find your 0 point. This won't move anymore. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice Timemore logo down at the bottom. And that's the Timemore Chestnut C2 grinder. Incredibly lightweight, smooth, and thanks so much for watching.